versus Darrell Jones. Calling case 204820361. One count of state of emergency disobeying executive order. Today's date set for a trial. Karen?
Ron Marsh on behalf of Darrell Jones.
Mr. Jones, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Darrell Lamar Jones.
Okay. And as I just stated, set for a trial today. The time is 9:05, 9:06. The trial was set for 8:35. Issuing officer McNeil has not checked in or called the court, so I will dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank you so much, Judge. Good day to you.
You're welcome. Mr. Jones, you're all set. Have a good day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Mr. Ibrahim Pardue, we gotta get you some audio.
This is Mr. Pardue.
Oh, okay, good.
Hold 1 second.
Mr. Pardue? Good morning. What's going on with your audio? What type of phone do you have? I'm gonna remove you. So what I have you do is call in, you without video, but basically calling like a call on the telephone. Until we know you.
It's 929.
929 436 286. After you have to call, you have to put the same meeting ID, the 3033000. Yes, it'll prompt you to it. If you have issues with calling.
Your call cannot be completed.
Okay. Okay, let's take care of, or Ms. Young's case. I guess I should ask, what are we doing on Ms. Young?
Yes, Judge. Attorney Ben working on her behalf. She's going to ask for a bench trial date, Your Honor. I explained to her the very generous offer. There are some citizenship issues as well. I think she has a citizenship interview coming up, and I also believe she has a defense as well.
Today is the trial date.
Oh, it is, Judge. I'm sorry. We have an officer here.
Yep, Officer Levy is here.
Okay. I guess we'll have to wait and see what we can do, Judge. Well, it's state code, correct, Judge? 330.405.
Yes. Let's take care of a couple other matters. The issue we will
Okay.
have is,
Okay.
in your favor, there's no state prosecutor available. So let's take care of the other three matters and come back to Ms. Young's case, okay?
Yes, Judge.
So I'm gonna put you in with Ms. Sonia Jones.
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Jones?
Yes.
Okay. Her offer is for failure. Fardoon, is that you?
What was that?
Is this Mr. Fardoon?
Yes, it is.
Okay, so it works.
Yeah, I couldn't get the Zoom to connect.
It's fine. I saw your face, you identified yourself, so this will work.
Okay.
So you'll be next to go into a breakout room and speak to Attorney Worthing in private about your case, okay? All right. Thank
I think you get so focused on getting up there, you just see your kids and everything. Sometimes you leave it on the podcast.
you. No distraction.
Nope. It is a big distraction.
Hello?
Mr. Ibrahim?
Yes.
I was trying to
Okay.
relay the
Okay.
the offers for a 3-month delay for the U ticket with the remaining count to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You're on mute. You're on mute. Okay. Sydney Jones. Wanda Jones.
Yes, ma'am.
Does that attorney who made his appearance, is that happening today?
This afternoon, he's supposed to call back in.
Okay.
Um,
When you have a moment, can I just have his information?
sure. What, you need his name and everything, Myrtle?
Yeah, just his name and P number.
Okay. Okay, give me just a second.
Okay, take your time.
He's supposed to email me one. That's what we're waiting on, when the email
Okay.
and appearance.
Okay. We're gonna do Miss Sydney Jones, Sonia Jones, and then Ibrahim Fardell, okay?
Very good, Judge.
Okay, this is the People versus Sydney Jones. Calling cases P10800037, count 1, failure to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. P10800031, disregarding a traffic control device. Count 2, no rear view or defective mirror. Appearance.
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Worthing on behalf of Miss Jones, who appears by Zoom today, Your Honor.
Ms. Jones, can you state your full name, please?
Sydney Jones.
Okay.
And Your Honor, it's my understanding that after this incident, you know, if she could just accept the offer as far as the blockading.
I'll allow for that.
Okay.
Ms. Jones, did you just not have your license on your person, or did you have to get it renewed or reinstated?
Apparently, my license was suspended and I didn't know. I had it on me, but I never got anything in the mail saying my license wasn't valid anymore.
Okay. So since it's stated, I will accept the blockading plea. Is there stipulations to the face of the ticket for blockading?
Yes, sir, there is, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Jones, I will dismiss the remaining counts, so you end up with just a 0-point offense of blockading traffic, and I'm going to waive your fines and costs today, so you don't have to pay anything, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor, that's greatly appreciated. She is going through currently a financial hardship. Thank you, Judge.
You are welcome, Ms. Jones. Do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
Good, have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay, Ms. Sonia Jones. Calling case 1-554-7835. People versus Sonia Jones. One count of driving while suspended. Appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ben Worthing on behalf of Mrs. Jones, who appears by Zoom today, Judge.
Ms. Jones, can you state your full name, please?
Sonia Nicole Jones.
And how we forward?
And Your Honor, it's my understanding that this is the last impediment towards Miss Jones obtaining a license. Is there any way she could actually plead to an allowing charge, just so that there's no future impediment? Or
Ms. You don't have anything else holding you up to get your license?
As far as I know, no, ma'am. I was just you have to pay the reinstatement fee because they keep sending it back. Like every time I try to pay it.
Right, because you haven't taken
I can't hear. I ain't
You
hear.
haven't taken care of this case yet. So that's
Oh, okay.
correct.
Oh,
Okay, I'll do an allowing.
thank you, Your Honor.
thank you.
Okay, Ms. Jones, can you raise your right hand? You swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I do.
And did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Worthing in private about your case today?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, no, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving that right to a trial, do you want to continue and plead guilty, Ms. Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to November 17, 2015, around 3:00 p.m. Was an unlicensed driver driving your 2001 Volvo green vehicle?
Oh, you talking to?
It's me.
You talking to me or her?
Who is Sonia that put it wrong?
That's me, but the Volvo is Beverly's, or was Beverly's at the time.
Okay, I get it. So were you,
Do you want me to voir dire here? Voir dire, Judge? Just, okay. Ms. Jones, did you allow an unlicensed person to drive on that date and time? And was that unlicensed person yourself?
Which Jones?
Sonia.
Oh, yes,
And this occurred in the city of Detroit, correct?
correct.
I didn't have anything further, Judge.
okay, I'll accept the guilty plea on that basis, with that factual basis.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, so Ms. Jones, Sonia Jones, you're all
Yes.
set. I amended the charge to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive so that you can move forward and get your license back, okay?
Thank you so much.
And then I also waived your fines and costs.
Thank you so much, Judge.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You post the bond?
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
$100.
Okay, so I will apply the $100 to your reinstatement fee.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's your money. And just give it 48 hours for the Secretary of State to have the updated information before you move forward with trying to get your license back, okay?
Oh, thank you.
That makes a world of difference. Thank you so much, Judge.
You're welcome.
Oh,
You
what
have
a
any
dope.
questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set then. Have a good day.
Thank you. Oh,
What
their
about me?
turn.
Oh, wait, are you Miss?
I'm Beverly.
And I didn't know if she was up today.
She was. You have us both down.
Yeah,
Okay.
I have my card.
Okay.
She received the card. I still haven't received anything, so that's why this is all. You can't go back now. Look,
Miss Beverly Jones is on the docket. I thought she was just with you on the call today.
I want her to. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, I'll pull her file. I'm gonna take care of
Yes.
Mr. first, and then we'll get back to you, Miss Jones.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Mr. Fardoon?
Yes.
Okay, we're ready to call your matter, okay?
Okay.
Calling cases U 475-35318, the people versus Ibrahim Fardoon, consuming alcohol in public, and P788968, no insurance. Appearance?
And good morning, Your Honor. Ben Worthing on behalf of Mr. Fardoon.
Mr. Fardoon, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Ibrahim Khalil Fardoon.
Thank you. And how are we moving forward?
And Your Honor, I did go over and review the offer with Mr. Fardoon, and he wishes to continue his not guilty plea at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. It's for the record, the offer here is for you to plead guilty to the U ticket, which is for consuming alcohol, with a 3-month delay sentence, meaning that'll be dismissed in 3 months as if it didn't happen, and the no insurance count will be dismissed. Is it correct that you are going to reject that offer today, Mr. Fardoon?
Yeah.
Okay. So I've set this for a pretrial date for October 21st, 8:30 a.m.
Thank you, Judge.
Did you get that, Mr. Fardoon?
You said October 21st.
At 8:30 a.m.
Is that going to be another video call?
Yes, there's still be on. Attorney Wordling, I think you said that for a trial date.
That makes sense. Thank you, Judge.
So, Mr. Fardoon, it'll be your trial date, not your pre-trial date, because you already have the offer and you don't want to take that offer, so we're going to set it for trial, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
So October 21st a.m. is the next date?
Yes, that's your trial date.
Okay. I don't have any other questions.
Okay, well, you are all set. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Okay, let's go back to Ms. Jones.
Yes, Judge.
Her account is The allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, the offer is for a 3-month delayed sentence.
Yes, Judge, and I have, according to what I have on the computer screen, it's a state case, so I don't know if sometimes that's not accurate, but,
No, it says on here it's a city case.
oh, it is, okay, so I don't know if, my client has an affirmative defense as to the knowledge element, and then, and daughter already pled on her end, so I don't know what we could do with that.
Just 360.
What, do you want to speak to her in a breakout room? Do you want to set it for a trial date?
Yeah, I might have this, I'll speak to her in a breakout room, that would be great, Judge.
So it's the 3-month delay is the offer.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Go to the first.
Officer Levy,